Alright, so I believe I found the root cause of the issue here when pushing to ECR in my code build. So apparently this is just using like maybe the private where it's just using the ECR. But actually what we want is the ECR public, and also the push here is also for the public because we're creating a public um, public ECR repository. Alright, login fix in build spec. Okay, so we're gonna push that. Then let us put this thing here. Then our password, we will put our password here. So once that is pushed, we will now attempt to make another release or another run. Right, so we will attempt another build. Hopefully we'll be able to see this um, go to our ECR now. So build is now starting. And it's as usual, it's still what's this? When calling the get authorization token, because he allows the ECR public. Good. Okay, so let's update our we will update our service token. Okay. We'll give it public ECR, ECR public credentials to post to, yeah, just public ECR. Right, so this is the rule that we are using. Let's go to code ECR. So we want to give it code build ECR public because it's a different service. So ECR. So ECR Elastic. It's here. This is the public one. Can we give it all? Will it be fine? Giving all permission. Okay, so coder infantry ECR public uh, code build ECR public. Okay, now that is created, let's go to our code build. My baby cry baby. So and then let's have another run. Start build. Okay, so seems like we're access denied, getting call again. No identity base policy allows get STS. Okay, so you know the drill. We go back to our IAM and let's provide STS to the service that we're using. The code build service rule needs to have STS privileges, okay, or permissions. So here, um, yeah, so we want to give it STS. Okay, STS. STS, okay, and then just give it all, man. So rule. Right, Jagger. Alright, so let's have another run. Okay, so that was created. And let's retry build. Right, the moment of truth. Oh, your password will be stored in encrypted. Oh, login successful. And now it's pushing, or it's still pulling. It's pulling from where? Yeah, it's pulling the what? Okay, it's running the Docker file. It's now install. It will now install. Right, npm install. It's now building our Docker. Alright, so this install, yeah, still installing. Take a bow, bow better. When I sit on needs to care. Me personality in a tragedy. Electricity dreaming of your face. Join from can better comfort of America. Come on into 1984. You're 3, 2, 1. Okay, pushing. Push refers to preparing. Push build succeeded. Oh wow, that succeeded. Wow, that succeeded, girls. So if you go to our ECR, right, ECR, here we should have the latest. That is push just now. The next thing that we're going to look at is um, the label or the tag. So go to the repositories, coder infantry, here, edit. Yeah, we have here the latest. So this is, oh, it uploaded twice. Oh yeah, this is, where is this? When is this? Yesterday. So let's edit our configuration. This latest here, we'll add a 0.0.1. Okay, update that. Update the build. Right, so after that we will start a new build. Let's see if it will. Okay, so let's see if it will push an image tag here 0.0.1. Yeah, so that's it. That's the only thing that, and maybe our code deploy will now work, or no, not really, because we still haven't answered how to attach a slash code dash deploy controller type to our service. Yeah, so the code deploy applications or getting started. It's getting started. It's getting started here. Yeah, or do we have a? Do you have an ECS already? Um, yeah, ECS. It's getting started. Getting started. Coder infantry. Deploy. Here. Choose a compute platform. So this might be not related to the destination platform that we're going to push to. Okay, so let's try that again first. And then click the deployment group. Red deployment group. Deployment group. Service rule is CodeDeploy service rule. This one. This one. Balancer. Target group. Target group. Or create deployment configuration. Type is canary linear. all at once. So it's just all at once, linear or canary. Choose the list of default and custom. Yeah, just all at once. Great. This one already succeeded. Let's check, refresh this. Do we have a 0.0.1? Yeah, we do have 0.0.1 now. So this is our main problem here. What if we choose a canary? Will it still be the same? Yeah, the ECS service must be configured for a code deploy development deployment controller. How do we do that? So in the cluster, um, let's delete the service. Right, so let's create a service. Launch type, Fargate, EC2. You don't have any registered. Yeah, that's a problem. Service specific manual. Shake up 1979. Alright, so we're going to use 0.0.1 and yeah, create that. That's a new revision. And in here, the test diff, this is the service creation, and in here, yeah, so this is the test diff 4. So the test diff here, how can we refresh this? Four, revision 4. Wala diri. Wala. Mura sa kuan siguro lamisas gawas basing gidani kan. Oh. Yeah, new balancer, existing load balancer, this load balancer, target group, use existing target group, this target group. What else? How can we make the deployment type to be CodeDeploy rolling out control type for a service? Select a deployment controller type. Rolling update. In here. What if we don't use the deployment group? Can it still go through? But no, you need to have a deployment group. CodeDeploy does not support ECS rolling update strategy. Deployment using master controller. If you are using CodeDeploy, your ECS has to be defined so that it uses green rather than. We don't have this option. Um. Yeah. So maybe if we. So if we create the service, so this one here, let us delete this, or let's maybe just create a new one. It will be a service 3. So this is maybe the old way of doing it. So let's create a service. This is going to be launch type is Fargate. Fargate Linux revision 4. Yup. Cluster service name is Coder Infantry service 04. Replica and deployment. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, so the number of tasks is 2. Set this AWS code as the deployment control for the service. Yeah, I'm not sure why this is not available in the new UI. So maybe you have to first set the number of tasks so that you can select. Yeah, so let's just try this one first. Oh, day. Butanas lamisa day. Then labeled application load balancer. No load balancer is found. or is it required? That is required. So go to the EC2 console, or maybe instead of doing that, we will go back to the old, or no, how do we go back? We don't have the options to go back. Okay, go to application load balancer. So this one will be JX ALB power ALB. Okay, so this is just for like testing purposes. Then getting started. Availability zones, default, listener, target, create target group. Right, no target group. Okay, so let's create a target group. Instance, target group, JX power target group. So let's create a power target group, and then where's this? This one. Create a load balancer. Refresh. There we have a load target. Enable the service discovery. What's this? Add load balancer. So it's now creating the service using the old UI. And deployment, deploy application that will be a created target group. Pair must have distinct target group. A target group pair must have distinct target groups. What? Target group pair. Okay, so let's edit that. Then target group 1, then there should be target group 2, then create service. The security group already exists for huh? Security group. Okay, what's the security group? Edit security group. Creation service was not idempotent, huh? Creation of service was not idempotent. Already exists on. Damn. Why can't you just override it, man? Is that network? Why is this so dumb, man? This is idempotent. It's not idempotent. Uh, I will stop the video for now. Let's think we have a running ECS. Let's try to take a look at that ECS. Yeah. See if we have a running. This is the cluster. This one, this service. Go to network, then check here. Temporary unavailable. Oh man, this is so annoying. Alright, so let's delete this deregister. Go to cluster, go to services, delete, force delete the services. And then delete the cluster. Delete the cluster. And then go to our EC2. Have instances. Do we have instances here that was created? Nope. Go to our security groups. There's a lot of security groups that was created. I think I'll have to just, yeah, all of this except the default. We want to delete security groups. Can't be deleted. Why? Whoops. Will not get deleted. Delete the network. Delete another interface. So let's go to where? Where should we go? Go to ECR again. Repositories. No, ECS. ECS again. Oops, I want to have the new experience. Go to task definitions. Go here. No, go to our applications here. You might need to delete if there are anything that was created. Pipeline. No. Build. We have build project here. Go to EC2. Two network interfaces associated. So yan lang nga. Ang tubig lang nga be. Tubig na ko be. O baso be. Naskuan. Nasgawas. Oh. Sorry. Network interface is currently in use. Nasa ni siya network interface. Do we have an EC2 instance running? Network security group. Let's first delete this one. I think this is the one that doesn't have any entanglement. So delete. And network interfaces. VPC ID. How many VPCs do we have now? Come on, baby. Your face is a man. All right, so I think we got it all cleaned up. Let's go to our cluster. Should know, but no more resources there anymore. Load balancer. This one shouldn't exist anymore. Network interfaces. Subnets. I think this one is default. Okay, so hopefully nothing. All is good here. We still can't make a successful build. Oh no, we can make a successful build, but we can't make a successful release to ECR because we can't make a cool code deploy application. So yeah, so if you can see here, are we recording this? Yeah, if we edit this, the environment, let's say I have a I have an update here. Let's say added dot net should earn $10 billion because he is so good. All right. So if I do that, then push this. Okay, push that, and yeah, it will ask for a username and password because our CLI was set up for GitHub. Maybe I can add my my AWS credentials later, but but it will always get uh, the token will like it will expire fast, so maybe it's a better idea to just keep it there. Right, so in the code build, go to configuration. Um, you want to have a 0.2 here, then update environment. Okay. And then we'll start a build. And this one is already pushed. So this build here, it's already started. It will publish to the ECR with the tag 0.0.1 0.2 here. Now we want to manually create because we are so dumb in setting up our code deploy. We're just going to coder tree cluster. We'll just set it up here manually for now. Okay, it'll be Fargate. So once the cluster is created, by the way, we need to create a task definition first. Right, this is task def. Infrastructure Fargate. Task rule is this one. This one. Coder infantry, and then our ECR URI is this. like that, but the tag will be 2. Okay, and then what else do we need to add here? Environment variables. We need to add that. No, I guess not. Let's just create our task definition, and in our ECR, we'll then create a service referring to that this ECR, this task def, and yeah, this ECR here. Is this the no? This is just the task def. The latest should be the latest. So how many task def do we have here? Why is it revision 5? Should be just revision 1, right? Because we don't have any revisions here. Oh, that's the 5. Okay, so here we go. We got to reload again. I'll go to ECR. Test it. Okay. So here, coder infantry service. Oh man. Load balancing. Why is it optional? We need 1. Then load balancer. All right. So it got completed. So let's go to the service. We should have this one here thing that we added. Go to the network, go to application load balancer, and yeah, we got it. So the only issue here is we don't know how to set up the CI/CD pipeline. We don't know how to do the code deploy for now. Maybe it's because of how or how the yeah, I don't know. I don't know how why I don't know how to do this. It's just click 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 click. Right, so that's it. You wanna have a sample again how to like update. So here we're going to have another version. Like, can you please add more version? Right. So after that, we're going to commit 0.0.3 version, push. Then our username and password. Alright, so that is push. Go to our code build. Right, so in our code build, we're going to edit the environment. We're now going to add the or update the tag to use 0.0.3. In here 0.0.3, then update. And then now we want to start the build. So once that is completed, we'll then update our service. And how to update that? Just wait for it. So this time I've been searching for love. Na, 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 na. All right, it succeeded. Let's go now to ECS. Okay, how do we update our service? Because the tag is pointed in the task definition. Okay, so if you go to the tag is here. Let's create a new revision. So if you can see here, there's a tag. We want to update that to 3. And then create. So we now have a new revision 6. And this is the containers. It's a container. So next is we want to deploy. Okay, so create a service. Cluster. Do you have to create a service, or we just want to point or update? How do we update the service, the current service that we have here? Okay, so this service, well, we want to update the service, and let's call the let's use revision 6 and update. Updated. Oh, it's not updated. So that means I can now see the latest one that I've update, right? No. What's our latest one? Can you please add more? Please add more revision, right? Yeah. Can we go to our ECR? ECR. Yeah, this one. So in our task definition, revision 6, the revision 6 is pointing to uh, revision 6 is pointing to code inventory 003 and um, repositories here. Code inventory, then there should be 0.0.3, and this one 0.0.3, and this is revision 6. Service updated. If we go to the service here, this one, that's not the test, right? So it should be just so update service. Yeah, this one is using version 6. Balancing. Yeah. Oh yeah, we updated. So do we have to deploy or no? It's there. It just takes some time to refresh, I believe. Yeah, it's just some time to refresh, right? So yeah, that's it. You when you update the service, you upload using CodeBuild from the commit. It will build and then put to ECR, and then after that, if you're ready to put them to the ECS cluster, you're then going to just create a new revision of your task definition. And once the task definition revision has been completed, you just go to your service, update your service, and then use the new task definition. So, so the cluster there is just to handle the just the orchestration and whatever the whatever the service and tasks are just like it's just going to handle those. But the main thing that is like um, the one that's doing the work maybe is the task definition or the service. Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, I think I got it already now. Okay, that's it. Bye. Yeah, we'll still have to fix how to do the code deployment, the code deploy, so that we can have a complete CI/CD pipeline. All right, thanks. Bye.